Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White, and welcome to 1 bar 43 Rimu Street, New Lynn. And this home is just what you need if you want to get started on the property ladder. You'll be so impressed by how far your dollars will go here. This appealing and dependable 1940s stucco bungalow is set on fully fenced grounds with lovely private gardens. Some renovations have been done, but there's still scope to add further value with your own touches. And it's ideal for couples or families with 3 bedrooms, an open plan living and great flow to a sunny deck. Conveniently located, you'll have easy access to Great North Road and a short walk to LynnMall and other great public transport options. It's such a great home to get on the ladder, and we can't wait to show you through. So come along on the weekend to the open homes or give us a call and we can arrange a private viewing.